Here's how you clean carburetors in less than 3 minutes. Pretty straightforward process here. Highly suggest an ultrasonic cleaner and some Dawn dish soap. Add some hot water, put your parts in the bin, put all your smalls in a Ziploc bag to help keep things nice and tidy. Submerge those parts into the bin and top it off. Make sure all those parts are underwater. Go max heat on your ultrasonic and do the first run for about 18 minutes. After that first run, go check out your parts, dump things out, and maybe replace that water if it's super dirty. Then all you got to do is start taking every little bit apart on those carburetors. Don't miss the little gaskets, the little O-rings, and of course, don't forget about that float bowl. Take that apart, knock it apart, might have to bash it a little bit. Get your float out and get all of your different little jets and pieces out of that carburetor. Take it apart as best you can and watch for those little springs and those minor little details. All right, once you kind of get that thing whittled down, it's time to go for another bath. Put all those extra small parts in the Ziploc, crank up the heat, and give it another run for about 18 minutes. All right, let's take a look at the parts again. They should be looking pretty nice and clean, but you might need a wire brush or something to clean off some of the real hard stuff. Grab yourself some carb cleaner, spray out all those internals, and let's do one more deep water wash. After that one, it's going to look pretty darn good. But we want to go really after it here, so get yourself some Chem Dip, carburetor, and parts cleaner. Open that stuff up in a well-ventilated space. Fill up the little provided basket with all of your parts, and then give that thing a nice submersion for about 20 minutes or so. Be sure to cover that thing up to, really cut down on some of the fumes of this stuff. But after 20 minutes, go ahead, pull your basket out and inspect your parts. They should be pretty minty clean at this point. Be sure to rinse everything off really, really well, and then go ahead and wipe everything down, dry everything off really, really well, and you're going to be in good shape. Now, from this point, go ahead back to the carb cleaner. Let's clean out all those little orifices and get in there with that stuff. And also use the little guitar string to go clean out any of those smaller jet pieces. All right, there you go. You should have a really nice minty clean carb ready for reassembly.